Alright then, so just taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff below. And without further ado, we'll take a look at the charts here on the daily time frame. As you can see, we have essentially just been moving up in a massive run for Bitcoin ever since we came down, back tested into that area down here really. Moving up way up through all of our Fibonacci levels. Massive run that we've had essentially in the past 6 months or 7 months now. Just a huge move from around 26, 27k all the way up to around 74, 75k at the high, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can see here we've come up, we got up towards some levels here, back tested into our 100 moving average on the daily. Lovely stuff. And the 618 being flipped from resistance into support. The 618 for me always the pivot point between the bear market and the bull market for any asset, especially cryptocurrencies, because they are essentially just always looking for actual levels that people can rely upon, because they are very volatile. And you can see here obviously Bitcoin recently having a little bit of a cooling off period, as we would expect after the massive move that we have been seeing to the upside for Bitcoin. It's very nice to see a little bit of correction and pullback at least during these crazy bull markets. As you can see in this local area on the hourly, I have marked out this channel we were trading down within. As you can quite clearly tell here, basically we had something like this. We came up, we peaked, we come down, we lose support, we're going in a bit of a downtrend here. We came back up here and obviously we had a resistance like this, which looks like we broke and back tested. And we also had a resistance like this that we broke and back tested. So you can see what happened was we came down, we broke our first resistance, extension below, we broke up again above this second resistance, but we made another resistance here and started to form this big channel like this. And then obviously since then we've been trading down a little bit, and then over the course of the weekend broken out to the upside for Bitcoin. Obviously a nice little break up towards touching the local swing high here. As you can see, a bit of a resistance in this area, maybe a big inverse head and shoulders that some people have been talking about on Twitter as well. Obviously if that was the case, we'll be definitely heading up to a new all-time high if we can see an impulse getting us above this level of resistance around that previous all-time high of around 69, 70k. I think if we can clear this area, we're going to be back at the all-time highs very quickly indeed. But right now Bitcoin just chilling, a little bit lower volume than there was on this downtrend here. Really, I think we're just having a bit of a cooling off period after the crazy uptrend. Nice retracement here as well. So really things looking okay. Nice back test into this area here as well. And now really I think we're probably going to be starting to see a trickle back to the all-time highs soon, which is currently sitting at around what we're looking at, 73.5, 74k. I think we're going to be heading up towards that soon. Things looking bullish, things looking good. I love a little cool off in the markets as well. Overall things looking good on the macro as well. You can see how good this is looking for Bitcoin. Obviously a recent all-time high, and now I would say it's not going to take too long in my opinion for a push and continuation. When you look at the local area and how we are looking, things are looking very good indeed. We've reset on our RSI, looking nice and comfortable for another impulse to the upside. And overall things just looking completely fine in the markets. In my opinion, we're going to be seeing some new all-time highs over the next few months going into the halving. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.